Under that again?
Close the door so it won't
Close
get
it there. It's over there by this stuff. Under the bed. Yo, you under the bed again?
How the fuck did a bird get in the box?
Yo,
Yo,
it is real.
Let it go. Oh, damn, you was right there.
Yeah, I really just fell.
Yo.
I really just fell. And I'm the cameraman. What's going on, cuz? How y'all feeling?
Hold on, Tinny, watch yourself. He's about to be over there. Yo, this is an episode. He in the cut now, though.
Don't let it go in the closet, son. It's even worse if it's in there.
Oh, man. I'm sorry, I got shook. I got scared for a second. I ain't gonna lie. Keita, stop. Yo, it's not fair. You laughing.
Fuck you. Your ass thought I was lying.
Yeah, because we ain't seen it yet.
He's in this cut. I'm telling you, I just don't move his shit. He would fly up and hit me.
When birds attack, I don't need that
I hope
episode.
it hits you straight in your face.
He ain't over here. Oh, that's the broom. He ain't over here. Oh, shit.
You
This
see it?
nigga's right here. He is just head right here.
It's in the hamper.
If we can kill him, we can kill him right now. Push that giant.
It's in the
He's
hamper.
right there in the cut.
Nah,
Why
don't
would
kill
you
it.
kill the damn bird? Don't,
Keita, it's the same thing like why you run from the bird.
don't kill it on my baby's clothes.
Nah. We need just one of your shirts. He's tired. Look at the bird. He moved again.
Man, you're right there. Literally sitting there.
Yeah, he's tired. Just cover up with something. Hold on, wait.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Get a shoebox. Get a shoebox. Get an
Yeah,
empty
true
shoebox.
that.
Any two, we just get them that way. We just carve them up in the box.
Nigga, you get all the ideas.
Man,
do
get
it.
out of here. You just want to run away and stuff.
Oh!
Y'all niggas keep
Where'd
running.
it
He under this bed.
Under the bed?
Timmy, watch out. He better come out.
Man.
Put that on top of the bed, please.
What this?
Put that on top of the bed.
Oh, he's chilling now. All right, y'all. I'm going in. I'm going in. Let me see the box.
Poor baby.
Where the baby?
In the car seat.
Lando,
Go get her.
She good, Lando.
Lando, this bird's just chilling.
You see him?
Pass me that broom.
Yeah.
He's tired now. He's like, man, y'all fucking with me.
How the fuck he get in the house?
Why you bring him in? Oh, shit. Where did he go? Oh, he's over there near your side, Lando.
Get him out.
There you go.
He ain't gonna move. You gotta push that shit. See him?
Yeah, he in the corner. In the
bed?
corner on the right side.
On the bed?
Under the, like Lando on the right side. Literally. You look down, you're gonna see him. See him? Oh, shoot. He behind you, Andre? Oh, you got him? Lando got him. Lando got him.
You got him?
Lando got him.
You can't get him.
Lando got him. Lando got him.
You
Lando
got him?
got him.
What the hell?
Hey, I was too busy trying to hide my own. Good luck
Don't
getting
push it
them
down
down.
too hard. I'm trying to get
I'm not trying to push it, nothing. Oh, this is not going well. This is what we're gonna
Slide it. Off the bed into both of the
Yeah, true that.
Andre.
do. Andre!
It's always Andre, man.
What?
It's underneath it.
Gosh, yo.
I was trying to slide it up underneath it so I could capture it that way. You gotta move the laptop back.
Oh, he rolled up.
You say you rolled up. Lando getting fed up now. Lando getting fed up now.
Shit, yo.
That bird is
I ain't
tired.
never tasted bird before.
That bird is dehydrated. Oh! That joint hit me.
I'm not into this no more, yo. I'm not into this no more, yo. This nigga scaring me.
That joint touched my elbow.
Niggas scared of him.
Yo, I'm scared of
Nah.
this bird for real.
You don't know if that joint might flare in your face and poke an eye out.
Smack you out or
Like you
something.
got some superstitious shit for real though.
I don't know. It's because we ain't know what was going
No,
on.
I'm dead ass serious though. And a bird flying in your house, you know what that means?
That you needed some blinds?
Somebody close to you like going past the like,
Nah, I mean your window was open too long.
no, I'm dead ass serious. But
Nigga,
last time a
let me
bird,
tell you something.
my grandmother died.
Let me tell you something.
I'm telling you.
I want to tell you something.
Man, y'all
If you
know.
believe in every suspicious, you know when people wear weave? You know what that is?
When people wear weave.
That's a suspicion. Oh my gosh, Lando.
What?
This nigga rolled out.
He under the bed?
Yeah, he is, but he rolled out to the other side.
There you go.
You back under there?
Yeah,
Where you go?
underneath.
What's that? Oh,
He
he right
in the
here.
middle.
He right here. Bitch, we think we'll see you. He came out. Is he out?
Yo, yes. Yo, this is too funny, dog. This is too funny.
That's how you do it.
What?
I hit that nigga. That's how you do
I
it.
missed the kill.
That's how you do
I
it.
missed the kill.
Yo, I did that. I was scared, but I did it. Yeah.
Oh man.
Woo.
Swing the broom at the bird.
I
And
hit
y'all
that.
would have left me in the house with
I
this
hit
shit.
that nigga. Oh, man.
Yo.